One of the things I think is really important as we go into December is I think it's the month that we neglect our self-care.
Very much so.
Right.
Yeah.
So tell me about what you know about that.
So my advice to people when it comes to self-care is whenever you say, oh, I don't know, like in my line of work, when people have appointments,
Yes.
I'll hear, I don't know if I'm going to have time for
Right.
that. This time of year, we're focused everywhere else except for ourselves, typically.
Yes.
And my advice is if you are thinking that you don't have time,
Yeah.
you actually need time for it even more. And it's my advice.
It's even more vital.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
And it's my advice too when it comes to even like brides or people getting ready for any event. They'll feel stressed because they have an appointment coming up. And once I see the difference on their face when they leave for their appointment, it's like, even if it was just an hour